When homeowners in Frisco think about increasing their home's value and visual impact, they often start with landscaping or a fresh coat of paint. While those upgrades certainly help, few improvements transform a home's exterior and interior as dramatically as picture windows. Boosting curb appeal with Picture Windows Frisco installation is one of the smartest ways to modernize your home, invite in natural light, and create a striking architectural statement. Picture windows are large, fixed-pane windows designed to frame outdoor views like a living work of art. Unlike operable windows, they don't open, which allows for expansive glass areas with minimal framing. The result is a clean, contemporary look that instantly enhances your home's exterior. In neighborhoods across Frisco, where well-maintained homes and thoughtful design stand out, picture windows can give your property a distinctive edge. From the street, a properly designed picture window creates symmetry and elegance. Whether centered in a living room or featured above a front-facing seating area, it becomes a focal point. The large glass surface reflects light beautifully, giving the facade a brighter and more open appearance. For traditional homes, picture windows can be paired with decorative trim to preserve classic charm. For modern homes, slim frames and expansive panes create a sleek, high-end aesthetic. Inside the home, the transformation is even more noticeable. Frisco homeowners love natural light, and picture windows deliver it in abundance. Sunlight floods your living spaces, making rooms feel larger, warmer, and more inviting. A bright interior not only improves daily comfort but also enhances your home's appeal if you ever decide to sell. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes that feel open and airy, and large picture windows help create that atmosphere instantly. Another key benefit of Picture Windows Frisco installation is the seamless connection to the outdoors. Frisco's scenic neighborhoods, mature trees, and carefully designed landscapes deserve to be enjoyed. Picture windows frame these views beautifully, allowing you to appreciate your yard, garden, or neighborhood setting from the comfort of your living room. Even in smaller spaces, the visual extension created by a large window makes the area feel more expansive. Energy efficiency is another important consideration for homeowners. Modern picture windows are designed with advanced glass technology, including low-E coatings and insulated frames. Because they are fixed and don't open, they are often more airtight than other window styles. This can help reduce drafts and improve insulation, keeping your home more comfortable throughout Frisco's hot summers and cooler winter months. Improved energy efficiency can also translate to lower utility bills over time. Curb appeal isn't just about beauty, it's also about thoughtful design. Picture windows can be customized to suit your home's architecture and personal style. From rectangular designs to unique shapes like arches or circles, these windows can be tailored to complement existing features. Homeowners often combine picture windows with smaller operable windows on the sides, creating both visual balance and ventilation options. The installation process plays a critical role in achieving the best results. Professional Picture Windows Frisco installation ensures proper fit, sealing, and structural support. A well-installed window not only looks better but also performs better. Skilled installers assess the home's structure, recommend the right size and placement, and ensure that the final result enhances both appearance and functionality. Investing in picture windows is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a way to elevate your home's personality and make a lasting impression. From the curb, your home appears more refined and welcoming. Inside, you enjoy brighter spaces and stunning views every day. If you're looking for a home improvement that delivers immediate visual impact and long-term value, picture windows may be the perfect solution. Boosting curb appeal with Picture Windows Frisco installation allows you to blend style, comfort, and efficiency into one powerful upgrade that transforms your home from ordinary to unforgettable.